Good morning, students. I hope you understood the topic that we had started yesterday. Okay. Now this is a continuation of the topic that we have done yesterday. Okay. So we'll start after that topic or in continuation of that topic. So you keep your books and notebooks ready, right? So let's start with the topic. So this is your activity for today. Yesterday we have talked about that the matter is made up of very tiny particles, right? And we got to discuss this activity. We know that matter is not, or I can say these particles are not visible to us with the naked eyes, right? So we'll perform an activity to see what happens or how can we make out or how can we feel their presence. Because unless we see some change, we are unable to determine that there is a presence of particles in any substance. So first what we'll do, we'll take 100 ml of water in the beaker. What will we do? We'll take 100 ml of water in the beaker and we will add 2 or 3 crystals of potassium permanganate. What will we do? We'll take we'll take water in the beaker, and there is approximately 100 ml of water. Then we'll add potassium permanganate to it. So which color you will see? Pink color. The solution will turn pink, right? The potassium permanganate is of pink color. We know water is colorless, isn't it? So when we add potassium permanganate to it, the water will change into, the color of the water will change into pink. Now we'll keep another beaker, right? And we'll take 100 ml of this water. Which water? 100 ml from this beaker. And we'll add into the third beaker. Okay. How much we've added? 10 ml. And we'll add 90 ml of water. Yes? So what will we observe in the third beaker? What will we observe, students? We will observe that the color of the solution has faded a little bit. Here it is dark pink, here it is a little bit less pink. Okay? Now this is your beaker number 3. Now we'll take 10 ml from this beaker and we'll put into the fourth beaker and we'll add 90 ml of water into this. So volume of the water will be 100 ml, right? So 10 ml we have taken from the third beaker and we are adding 90 ml of water. Again we compare that the color of the solution is fading, isn't it? This solution is again a little bit lighter. So you compare these 3. First with the darkest, little bit. This one is again a little bit lighter. Third is again lighter than the third one. Now what we'll do? Again we'll take 10 ml from this solution and we'll add into the another beaker. And further we'll add 90 ml of water. So what will be the volume? Volume will be 100 ml. Okay. So here again we'll observe that the solution of the color fades. As we are moving from the first beaker to the last beaker, the solution is continuously fading. And what do we understand from this? What do we understand from this? These are our conclusions. From this experiment, we are clear that a small portion of 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water, right? They can color a large volume of the water. Clear? So this means there are millions of tiny particles in just a few crystals of potassium permanganate. Now suppose if this is your potassium permanganate crystals. Now this potassium permanganate crystal has millions of particles inside it. Right? And these particles are so small that we cannot see them with your naked eyes. We cannot see them with naked eyes. They are not visible to us. But when you put them in water, they can color a large volume of water. They can color a large volume of water. Right? Isn't it? Very true. So, every substance is made up of very, very tiny particles, as like the potassium permanganate. Okay? I hope you understood the activity. Very well. Now coming to your homework, now you will do the homework. And your homework is, you will make notes of this topic in your notebook. And you will read page numbers 1 and 2 of chapter 1. I hope you remember, matter is your chapter 1, right? So you will read 2 pages, that is page number 1 and page number 2. And you will send your work to me. Right? Okay, students. Bye everyone. And I'm waiting for your homework.